This sprawling Articarpus heterophyllus jackfruit farm showcases the impressive scale of our operation.
This is exactly what we needed.
The soil is looking good for the jackfruit.
pH is at 6.5.
And the nitrogen levels are optimal, according to the historical data.
Is this one tight enough?
Yes, move to the next one. We must finish this row before the rain.
Looks good.
Grab the height measurement on this one.
1.5 meters. Data uploaded.
Solar radiation is peaking. Let's increase the drip irrigation cycle immediately.
Confirmed. Updating the parameters now.
This organic mulch, consisting of chipped wood and dried leaves, conserves soil moisture and suppresses weed growth.
The chlorophyll levels look excellent on this section.
Yes, consistent with the robust growth data we collected earlier.
Check the underside of that leaf cluster near the main vein.
I see it. Looks like early stage scales. We should mark this one.
All right, lift it steady now.
It's in place.
Hand me the tie. We need to secure it tightly before the next rain.
The yearly growth analysis confirms robust health. We should implement the new fertilization regime immediately.
Agreed.
Let's log this at 42.5 centimeters. The growth rate is excellent.
Push it up slowly.
Is that high enough?
Secure the rope first before you let go.
The Articarpus heterophyllus jackfruit in the orchard begin their final ripening phase, marked by subtle.
The aroma on this lower one is very strong. Indeed, it matches the profile for peak ripeness.
Sizing checks out. No soft spots near the stem.
Perfect color, minimal blemishes, ready for harvest.
Cut clean at the stem, exactly as shown on the diagram.
The nets are ready for the catch.
And the blades are sterilized and sharp.
The nitrogen levels are still quite high post-fruiting.
Yes, the foliage color confirms the robust energy reserves we predicted.
As discussed in the briefing, follow the harvest protocols. Use the cutting tool precisely like this.
This one looks ready. Watch the fall. So cute. Let's get it to the cart.
Check the seal here, it looks weak.
Okay, I'll send this one to microbial testing.
The bricks level is at 60.
Good, the viscosity seems perfect too.
The filtered jackfruit sap is then processed through controlled heating to extract valuable compounds like natural rubber.
Scan complete. Pallet 7A confirmed. All right, bring it in slowly.
Pallet 7B, savory jackfruit alternatives verified. Confirmed on the manifest. Proceed with loading. Order details confirmed. Manifest matches the shipment.
Packaging integrity looks good. Ready for international transit.
Data synchronized. All clear. Secure the container.
Bracing secure on all pallets. Labels match the manifest.
Finalizing the checklist now. Ready for sealing.
This jackfruit jam looks amazing.
Have you tried the savory pouches? They're supposed to be really versatile.
I think the billboard design really captures the premium quality.
Absolutely. The branding is consistent across all platforms.
These high-protein snacks are ready for market testing. The versatility of the Articarpus heterophyllus is truly unmatched.